Perfection doesn't need to be complicated. Eating hamburgers that taste this good? Now that should be illegal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an Oklahoma fried onion burger. So just sit back, grab a drink or two, and let's get into it. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, share. It all helps. To make a great burger, you need to start with good ingredients. Enter my burger mix. It's a 50-50 mix of brisket and chuck steak. Put through the meat grinder on the coarse setting just once. And lucky for me, Mick the Master Cuddler out of Gippsland Premium Meats does this for me. The Oklahoma fried onion burger has been around for a long time. You can actually track it back to the Depression days. And the reason they came up with the idea is meat was expensive, but onions weren't. Now, to prep this mince to become the tastiest burger you've ever had, we're just going to weigh it out to 85 gram balls. That's it. Nothing else needed. That brisket and chuck mince combo produced that perfect 80% meat to 20% fat ratio. Beyond the meat, we only need 4 other ingredients. That's correct. To make Oklahoma fried onion burgers, you only need 5 ingredients in total. That would be the meat, buns, cheese, salt, and obviously onions. Get this right and this burger is amazingly delicious. And your taste buds will be thanking you all day long. Now, speaking of onions, traditionally you should use Vidalia onions. As far as I can tell from all my research, they are a sweeter onion than normal brown or white or red onions. I just can't get them here. So I'm using good old brown onions. And these need to be sliced extremely thin. And I'm using a mandolin to thinly shave my onions. Now, I've seen some people use meat slicers, and if your knife skills are that of Gordon Ramsay's, by all means, use a knife. Now, is it the onions or is it the lack of subscribers and sharing and liking and comment that's making me cry? Today we need a flat top grill, charcoal, cast iron pan or a gas top cooker. It doesn't matter as long as it's flat. And don't forget to throw your grill at it.
Stop, hammer time.
We're going to turn on the liquid charcoal and we're going to allow that hot plate to heat up. We want it hot, so don't get all itchy fingered here and start throwing food on a cold hot plate. For those playing at home, we're actually using a Weber FT400 flat top grill. Only available in Australia, back in the 90s. The griddle is hot enough, but how do I know this? I don't want to lick it, and when I put my hand over it, I can feel the heat. So throw down the burger balls, season them with salt, and then heap on a huge amount of onion onto each one, and then smash them down, spreading them out so the edges will crisp up. We want those edges crustier than your mother-in-law's kisses. Now we'll leave them cook away for a couple of minutes. Now once you start seeing liquid forming on top of the patties and the onions are starting to caramelise and even go a bit black, it's time to flip them over. And that's when I like to add the cheese and then top it with the burger bun and just place the heel of the bun or the bottom of it on top of that one. And this will actually steam that burger bun as it draws in plenty of that beefy flavour from the steam. Now I find potato buns are the best used to get that traditional type burger. Now you can use brioche buns if you want to ruin this recipe though. Today I'm using a flat top barbecue to create greatness. And all up, these burgers will take less than 5 minutes to be ready for your face hole. Or for those of you using my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. Cheers! I dare you to try and drink more than 1 beer while cooking these. Go on, do it! The burgers are cooked and ready for serving. Just double stack them and remove it from the heat. Now place the heel of the bun at the bottom and slide the rest of that gooey goodness on top. There's nothing else left to do but enjoy this moist burger. Smut!